Alright guys, we're in our new room. This is 2103. So that's what it looks like on the outside. Hi. And then you come in, you got immediately in the living room, you got the TV, little dining area over here, just like the other room. The washer and dryer is here. It's locked. Hold on, I'm coming. Here you got the little dishwasher. Oh, this is the actual oven, Jayla. It's not the convection oven. So the other room was the convection oven. This is so much better. Dishwasher, fully stocked kitchen. Oh, this room has a garbage disposal too. The other room didn't have that. Dishwasher. They have dish detergent for you too. You got your cups, silverware, cookware. Watch out, baby. I thought it was pots and pans. I probably overlooked them. Trash can. Okay. It's in this drawer. You got the fridge. And it also has an ice maker. Is it on? Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn it off though. It's a lot of ice in there already. Got that. I'm guessing this is the utility closet. It's in this closet. You got a closet here. This is our bathroom. Bathtub, and it's just the same like the other one. There we go. That's the tub. And then here's the bedroom over here. And again, it connects. Bedroom, TV dresser. Here is the closet with the safe, double doors. And then the balcony. Oh, it's much smaller than the one we were on before. But this is the view of the balcony. And Florida is scorching hot today. But, yep guys. That is our room. Thank you so much for watching. I have another room tour without the balcony, so go check that one out. And then I also have a 2-bedroom tour of this resort as well, so go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.